Alright, this is the moment you've all been waiting for. Let's see if the dirt and stains on these white seats will come off. Hey, it's Life with the Box. If you missed out on selecting the white seat option for your Tesla but still want that clean, modern look, these EVBASE Nappa white leather seat covers might be just what you're looking for. In this video, I'll show you my intensive 1-month review with my kids in the mix, do an unboxing, and walk you through the installation. Stick around because this is the only video you'll need to watch. And if you're interested in purchasing, use my code in the description to get 20% off. If you're new to my channel, I review Tesla and other car accessories with a real-life perspective. I'd appreciate it if you like and subscribe, and now let's get into the unboxing. Alright, so all the pieces arrive packed tightly in a relatively small box, so you might notice some wrinkles or creases in the leather. I'll address that later. There's a fresh leather scent that gives your car that new smell again, but don't worry, it fades away after a few weeks. As you can see, there's a cover for almost every part of the seat interior, including the armrests and even the backs of the rear passenger seats, which is a nice touch. Each piece comes with either straps or Velcro to keep everything secured in place, but I'll get into more detail about that during the installation segment of the video. For now, let's dive into how I prep my old seats before installation. Let's go. So here is the interior of my Tesla featuring the black leather seats. One thing I've noticed is that sunscreen can stain these seats, leaving basically white patches that are really tough to clean if you don't address them quickly. Another point to mention is the wear on the driver's seat from getting in and out, which can lead to issues over time. That's why having seat covers can really help protect them. But first, let's start by vacuuming the interior. I like to use this Express interior cleaner from PNS. I'll leave the link to purchase it in the description below, and let's get into the installation. We'll begin with the front passenger bottom cover. To install it, pull and stretch the cover so it forms snugly around the seat. There are two straps that need to be fed through the gap between the seat and backrest. Pull these straps tightly to secure the fit, then wrap them around to the front and tie them down. For the cover's end, you can either slide them between the plastic panels or leave them out to cover the plastic. Next, you'll see two shorter straps with metal hooks on the ends. Locate a small gap between the seat and feed these straps through, hooking them onto one of the seat straps underneath. Once in place, test the seat by moving it forward and backwards to ensure that nothing gets caught. Repeat the same process on the other side. With the bottom covers on, we'll move to the top part of the seat. This piece has one strap on the back and two circular plastic clips. Slide the cover over the headrest and pull it down to form around the seat. Feed the circular plastic pieces through the gap between the seat where they'll sit flat to prevent slipping. Finally, tie the strap on the back. You also have the option to tuck the cover into the plastic trim if you prefer. We'll also cover the front armrest, giving the interior a consistent look. After completing both front seats, test the seat controls to confirm nothing obstructs movement. If everything checks out, we're ready to move on to the rear seat covers. We'll start by removing the headrest. Press down on the button while sliding a flathead screwdriver into the hole on the other post to release it. Once the headrest is off, slide the back seat cover over the seat, feed the two Velcro straps through the gap between the seats, and secure them by pressing the Velcro together. Then zip up the side zipper to finish. Next, slip the cover over the headrest, securing it with the Velcro closure at the bottom. Once covered, slide the headrest back into place. Repeat this process on the other side, but be sure to guide the straps through the holes for the fold down center backrest. Now we'll remove the rear center headrest and add a cover for it, followed by the rear center armrest cover. The armrest cover also includes a cutout for the cup holders. At the bottom, there's a circular plastic piece that needs to be fed through the gap, through the seat gap to hold it securely. Once done, slide the rear center headrest back into position, fold it down, and attach the back cover with Velcro. The main seat cushion is installed similarly to the front seats, with two main straps that go under the seat and two smaller straps with hooks that secure at the ends. Once everything is in place, you're all set. You've successfully installed your Tesla seat covers. So after a full month of intensive use with my kids stepping all over the place and eating in the car, it's time to see how well these seat covers have held up in keeping that fresh white look. If you take a closer look, you'll notice dirt and stain marks throughout. First, I'm going to vacuum up the loose dirt using my Fantic Slim V8 car vacuum. This is honestly the best car vacuum I've owned to date, and I'll link it in the description if you're interested. Next, I'll clean the seats with the Express Interior Cleaner from PNS. Again, link in the description, and we'll see if these stains come out. Alright, take a look. Everything came off. And the EVBASE Nappa leather white seats look brand new again, even after a full month of intensive use. Okay, now let's talk about the wrinkles and creases in the leather. Since installing the seat covers, I've noticed that these creases have gradually minimized over time, and it looks like they might eventually disappear completely. To help speed up the process, I'm going to try to use a hairdryer with some gentle heat. Honestly, I'm not too concerned about the creases. Comparing the footage from when I first installed the covers to now, they've pretty much already smoothed out, but it's something to keep in mind if you notice them initially. So after a month of daily use with kids, snacks, and the usual wear and tear, these EVBASE white Nappa leather seat covers have truly impressed me. Not only do they elevate the look of my Tesla's interior, giving it that sleek, premium feel, but they're also durable, stain resistant, and easy to clean. Whether you are looking to protect your original seats, add a touch of luxury, or just enjoy a worry-free interior that stands up to real life, these seat covers are an investment worth making. If you're ready to upgrade your Tesla's interior with these EV-based covers, use a link in the description below to purchase. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more Tesla content, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.